Doge is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we have broken below this crucial support level here at 0.075, and as of right now, we have started to create new lower lows. Ideally, what I'm waiting for, of course, to see is whether or not we continue using this level as resistance. As you guys can see, Doge is trying to overcome the exponential moving averages as support because of the fact that we are in extreme oversold conditions. So we could be looking for a very nice possibility in terms of a manipulation wick, grabbing the liquidity, and then a stronger continuation to the downside. In order for us to see a bullish case scenario, ideally what would have to happen is, of course, trying to break above 0.075, using it as support, and the first target that we would have to break would remain at 0.08. The reason why the 0.08 level, of course, is very important is looking at previous price analysis. We tested this level multiple times on the midterm support before we finally ended up breaking it, and as you guys already know, old support becomes new resistance, and this is exactly where I'm looking to see whether or not the bulls can try to overcome this level. Of course, if we do end up seeing that level being tested and we see multiple rejection candlesticks, that's going to be a confirmation for a very nice position on Doge overall. Now, zooming out on the chart, you'll notice that Doge, of course, is trading below this major support level here at 0.075, and this isn't the first time that we have actually seen it. You can see that we had the same sort of price analysis here where we ended up having somewhat of a consolidation zone at a crucial daily support, but we never really saw that bearish volume come in. The only difference was, of course, we ended up rejecting 0.11 and having a massive free fall. This is exactly where I'm seeing Doge go, of course, once again, but the only difference is we have a much smaller time frame in terms of a shorting position. So this is why I'm paying attention from the bearish case scenario at 0.05 to see what happens on that daily support. Now, the problem is in terms of that daily support level, we have already tested that level multiple times, and you can see from previous price analysis, although we did end up holding this crucial support, we did see that very nice parabolic move. But as of right now, we are using the exponential moving averages as resistance as they come down into the market. And of course, as you guys already know, once we retest this daily support, although we may see a small bounce opportunity, this could be a very ideal situation for Doge. The problem is that we are right now in a downtrend market, and ideally, if we do retest the 0.05, a lot of buyers are going to be waiting at that level, but this would be the perfect bull trap, where we end up retesting the previous resistance at 0.075, grabbing that liquidity, and then a very sharp drop. This is why I'm being very careful and looking for those buy opportunities on Doge. You'll notice even here on the hourly time frames, we are pretty much struggling trying to overcome this level. Although volume has been extremely low in the crypto market in general, this doesn't mean the fact that these major support levels would end up holding. Usually with low volume after a massive move, it usually ends up being another leg towards the downside. And for those of you in the Telegram, you guys have already seen this firsthand, how these levels play out. In terms of the daily time frame though, this of course was very interesting. I talked about this in yesterday's video as well, and ideally what we're waiting for is to see that retest on these exponential moving averages before we end up seeing that continuation. What I'm waiting to see is once we enter the resistance level here and see once we grab that liquidity, what happens after that. You guys will notice that of course this is the first time after a while the Doge has broken below our exponential moving averages. The last time of course was right here, and we ended up having a massive free fall zone from 0.11, and this is of course the leading indicator for me to know whether or not we are entering a downtrend market. Assuming we do end up breaking this daily support level on the midterm at 0.069, this is going to end up being a massive capitulation on Doge overall, so make sure you guys cover your trades. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have a one.